Technology is changing so fast, but one thing that really hasn't changed is the keyboard, until now. To learn more, I'm talking to Jeff from TREWGrip. Jeff, what is this?
So we took a traditional standard QWERTY keyboard, we took it, split it in half, turned it around the back, so now you're typing on the rear side, so it's a rear type keyboard. On the front, you can see what you're typing, have LED indicator lights, so you know what you're typing. You can also dock your smartphone tablet on here, so now it's really a way to be mobile and be productive while doing data entry. So instead of thumb typing or finger, you can actually do a full keyboard layout while you're on the go.
Now, there's a lot of Bluetooth keyboards out on the market. Is that using essentially the same technology, just a different design?
Yep, different design. A lot of the Bluetooth keyboards you're meant to be setting down. We really want you to be mobile, so we want the workforce to be able to get up, put their device on here and go.
What about, is it learning curve? Is someone going to be able to just pick this up and get going and start typing faster?
There is a learning curve to it. If you're a typical touch typist and you're used to not looking, after 8 to 10 hours, you'll have about 90% of your typical typing speed on a flat keyboard.
Will this make people type faster, or is it just a better or an improvement to typing on a screen?
I have heard one of our touch typists is here, and he did this. He's actually improved his regular typing speed. This has helped him become a better touch typist.
That's interesting. What are these other buttons that you have here on the top?
Right, so we still want your thumbs to do something, so you got the space and the backspace, tab and enter, and also additional control buttons like arrow up, home, page down, stuff like that.
Very cool. Now, is this something, when can we see something like this come onto the market?
Right, it should be available fourth quarter this year, and our retailer is looking at about $250. It is a higher end keyboard, but it has mechanical switches, which a lot of touch typists used. It also has resizable grips for different sized hands, so if you have smaller hands, you'll be able to get right on that home row where we want you to start at.
I love the fact that you have mechanical switches. I'm like old school. I like the mechanical keyboards. I like that tactile feeling of it. And it's nice to see that you incorporated that technology into here. If people want to get more information about this, where do they head over?
Just go to www.TREWGrip.com.
And of course, if you're interested and want to stay up to date on the latest in technology and gadgets and gizmos, head over to our website, GetConnectedMedia.com.